Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole, and in today's video, I'll be doing a voice over, and I'm so sorry about that, but it's due to unfortunate situations. But today, I'll be showing you guys how I got this navy blue hair that is perfect for fall, and the hair that you guys all been asking me about. But before I get into this video, I want to shout out my gang. I love you guys so much, especially for my last video. You guys are so amazing, and I love you guys so much. But we gotta cut this mushy stuff short and get straight into this hair tutorial. So today I'll be working with Queen, which is a AliExpress hair company. All the information for that company will be in the description bar down below, like always. So they sent me a bag, thank God, because I always need bags to put my wigs in when I'm done. They also sent me a headband, which is perfect for when I'm doing my makeup, and it's super cute. That cap I don't need. This pamphlet from Queen Hair, basically it tells you about how to care the hair, about the company, and sometimes it has discount codes on the back, well, most of the time. Also, they sent me a 18-inch full lace closure with a body wave, a 20-inch bundle, which is also body wave, 22-inch and two 24-inch bundles as well. Now, initially the hair was super soft. The bundles were pretty thin to me, but I was happy, and of course the longer the length, the thinner the hair. That's why I got 4 bundles. But of course I had to bleach the hair, so I'm mixing my BW2 and my Quick Blue with 30 volume developer. I'm no longer using those sticks, guys. I bought whisks now, so from now on that's what you'll be seeing in the video. So I'm going right along and bleaching the hair. And of course, I'm not bleaching the hair in any particular way, but I did go in and bleach the hair twice. So the first time I bleached the hair, there was no issues with the hair. It was still soft, it was still bouncy, it still had its luster. But of course, when I bleached the hair the second time, I did get a little bit of dryness and a little bit of shedding. But of course, I'm manipulating the hair and drying it out by bleaching it. I just went in with my Ion color sealer conditioner, and it softened up the hair a little bit more. So yeah. So this is the end result of bleaching the hair twice. That color is so pretty, but of course we're going to be putting blue over it. And as you guys could see, that closure is darker than the bundles, but whatever, I'm putting dark blue over it. And it is really dry, as you can see from the ends. So to color the hair, I'm using my silicone mix conditioner and 6 bottles, yes, 6 bottles of my Adore Royal Navy, and I used a half a bottle of the African Violet from Kiss Temptations. So I am using the silicone mix just to keep the hair moisturized while it is sitting with the color on it. And for each bundle I used a bottle and a half, or 2 bottles. 2 bottles, and I used a bottle on my closure. So in the beginning, I made the dumbest mistake by going in with a brush to cover all the hair, which was it took forever. Okay, I was like, it took me like an hour per bundle. It made absolutely no sense, but I wanted to make sure that the hair was fully covered and I wasn't missing any spots. But of course I came to my senses after a while. So when I came to my senses, basically all I did was I went in and I poured the color over the hair, and I just took my hands and ran the color through, and this made it a lot easier. Of course, it cut out 30 minutes of coloring the hair, and it still covered the hair perfectly. And of course, after I colored the hair and it is covered in color, I made sure the hair was covered from root to tip. So I just opened up the hair, colored up the roots, and I would take my hands and go through and just push the hair around to make sure there's no blonde areas and there's no green areas, because of course I don't want green hair. And if blonde areas catch the blue, those areas will turn green or have a green hue. So I was literally making sure that the hair was covered from root to tip. After I did so, I just put the hair in a plastic bag and I let it sit for over 24 hours. So this is how the hair looks when it's not super bright. Of course, it's looking black in this part of the video, but trust me, as you guys saw, it was blue. Now the issue that I have with the hair at this part is I didn't get the clip, but I was trying to color the hair. I was trying to put nice big wavy curls in the hair, and the hair was swelling. So what I had to do was I had to wash the hair and use a straightening serum on the hair so that the hair would straighten out and it wouldn't swell, and it worked perfectly fine. The hair did not swell at all. It has not swelled on me, and I washed the hair twice already since I've had it. The hair is perfectly fine. At first I was gonna curl it after I straightened it out, and then I realized that I didn't want to do that, so I just left it straight and flat ironed it out and just wore it bone straight. And then I hot combed my closure to make sure it was flat. Now the closure part, I did not catch me plucking it, but all I did was leave the closure dead smack in the middle like I would do a middle part, and just part it on the side and plucked it out and plucked out the front as well. And that's how I got it. So yeah, here I'm just going in with my hot comb, and my belly button is making a cute little cameo, my belly button and my thighs. Oh, by the way, this closure was beautiful. It laid super flat. It literally melted into my skin. Like, I tried wearing it without a cap and it lays super flat. As you guys could see, the ends of that hair was pretty dry, so I did go in with a razor comb and just snip those ends, and this is the end result of the hair. And here's how it looks when I did my previous video, which it looks super poppin'. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and check out Queen on AliExpress.